Welcome back to It's Natural. It's Patty here. We are in the second week of May 2019 and we have a few, just three food recalls this week. And it's only 2 items, but 3 recalls. Can you believe it? So it is fish and it is salad. So we've got 2 of these items that are in recall this week. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one, the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA.gov, says that they're recalling, again, 3 items. The first one is on the 14th from Taylor Farms from Texas, recalls salad with chicken products due to misbranding and undeclared allergens. So what is the undeclared allergen? And it is anchovies in the salad. And it was not on the label. And so they went ahead and took it off the shelves. And I will put a picture right here for you to see it. And so again, it is Taylor Farms, Texas, from Dallas, Texas. They're recalling over 1,000 pounds of the Caesar salad with chicken products due to anchovies in the product, and it's not labeled. So what is the second one we have? Our second one is from the Crab House Trading Company, and this is also this is the actual fish. This is yellow walking fish. I'll put a picture of the fish right here and the product right here. 36,000 pounds. 36,000 pounds. And they're saying that it was shipped to resale stores and wholesale stores located in California. It's labeled triple pearl headless cleaned yellow walking fish. Wow, that is a name, isn't it? There has not been any reports of any adverse consumption or reactions. And it's not saying really anything why it's being recalled. As I'm going over there. Okay. They pulled them off the shelf because they were distributed without the federal inspection. So that's why they were pulled off, because they weren't inspected before they were distributed. And that is why they were pulled off on the 15th. And they're calling this a very high risk for health, class 1 recall, a very high risk. So if you have any of the yellow walking fish that's labeled triple pearl headless cleaned yellow walking fish, I'll put a picture right here again of the product. They're calling it a very high risk because it was not federally inspected before it was distributed to resale and wholesale locations in California. So make sure you look in your refrigerator if you do eat that type of fish. And I didn't know that they do that they have recall if they don't have a federal inspection of the food. So that's pretty cool. And our last one is salad. Salad. A picture right here. Membo Fresh Foods, M-I-B-O, Fresh Foods, is recalling salad with meat products due to misbranding and undeclared allergens. So what is the allergen? This one is, again, anchovies. Wow, it's ready to eat. Chef salad with ham and turkey. It says HEB Meal Simple Chef Salad with Homestyle Ranch Dressing. And this was discovered at a retail store when it was mislabeled after being unboxed and placed on the retail shelves. So there's no confirmed reports of adverse reactions to the consumption. The safety inspection is concerned that they are in refrigerators for consumption. So make sure that if you do eat that brand, to go ahead and look in your refrigerator. Make sure that you discard that. Or you can actually take it back to where you purchased it to get a refund. They said these products should be thrown away or returned to the place of purchase. And so that is it for this week. So we've got salad and fish. The two salad ones were which is odd, both of them had anchovies in it for misbranding undeclared allergens. And they're two different companies. So the health risk on that one is low. The FDA, Federal Department of Agriculture, did not recall any foods. The United States Department of Agriculture is the only one that so far has recalled these three companies. Again, it's Membo, M-I-B-O Fresh Foods, recalled the salad. Crab House Trading Company recalled the fish. And then the Trailer Farms from Texas also salad with chicken with anchovies was also recalled. So, and that is it for this week so far. And today is Thursday the 16th. And nothing so far has been recalled as of now. If there is, I will put it in another video. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Make sure you check your your freezers, to make sure if you have the fish in there. Check your refrigerators if you do carry those two types of ready-made salads with chicken in it. And if you do go to a store to pick up those salads or you see them, do not purchase them. They should be pulled off the shelves already. So just be careful of that. So I will talk to you soon, and make sure you subscribe, share, and like, thumbs up. And I will put some other videos right here that you can see. And I will talk to you soon. Bye now.